This is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. In this video, I will explain you how to install MongoDB on Windows operating system. The first step to install MongoDB on operating system is to type this address on browser mongodb.com download center -community. When we type this, just enter. We are installing community server edition and MongoDB supports 64-bit architecture. So those who are working on 32-bit architecture, you have to switch on 64-bit architecture. Here, just click on this software and go to the community server. So here version will be displayed 4.4.1 platform Windows and MSI. MSI is a package that is nothing but Microsoft installer. So once you click on this download, MongoDB will be downloaded. So after it will take some time after downloading that, in the download file you can see that part. So in the download, yes, so here you can see MongoDB Windows 8632 and that version. So I already have installed MongoDB on my machine on Windows operating system. So whenever you will click on this, all the packages that are required for MongoDB will be installed in our machine. So it may take few minutes, but it will be installed properly. So once MongoDB will be installed on your machine, in C drive you can see MongoDB folder. In just click on this program files. In these program files you can see MongoDB folder, then server edition, and this is a 4.4 is a version. And then in the bin folder you can see all the executable. This mongo.exe is the executable file which is required to execute MongoDB queries. So once you follow all these steps properly, your MongoDB will be installed on Windows operating system. So how to start that MongoDB, that I will tell you. Just whenever we go to this folder, just type this just copy this address, open command prompt and paste that address. So I need to copy that address and here I will paste it. So here we are pasting it, but here we are going to bin folder, but we have to execute MongoDB query. So we have to type here mongo.exe /mongo.exe, and that should be in double quote. The full path should be in double quote. So whenever I will enter, you can see all the everything is installed properly and we are getting this prompt. Once we get this prompt, it means we have installed MongoDB on Windows operating system properly. So if I execute query like use and the name of the database, suppose I am using college database. So here you can see switch to be to DB college. So DB is nothing but database, and whether my query is executing properly or not. So I can check it with the creation of the collection statement, db dot create collection. So this is the syntax to create collection. So if I say student, so here you can see query is okay. It means we have installed MongoDB on Windows operating system properly. So if we want to exit from MongoDB, simply I will type exit. So it will say bye. So guys, here I have shown you how to install MongoDB on Windows operating system. Follow all the steps properly. Definitely your MongoDB will be installed. Thank you so much for watching this video.